Hey guys, Megan with Homestead here. I want to talk to you today about shutters for your sliding glass door. I get asked a lot about how to treat a sliding glass door. One of my favorite ways to treat it is a shutter. One of my favorite products in general is a shutter. You really get to see, outside. A lot of people like to have that view, a lot of light coming through, or if they want full privacy, tilt them down. It's really beneficial. You always will have this rail here because of the height. So what's awesome is you have light coming through and then your privacy on the bottom. So you also get this awesome track that comes with the entire build, if you would. A balance that's decorative at the top. It really builds into the entire slider, so you get this piece of molding here, so it's a nice frame that comes around and it slides really easily. So like this would be obviously your outside, and then you can just slide it super easily, and then it goes both ways, of course, as well, if you wanted to have light come in through the other way. So sliding glass doors, often, you need some extra insulation. This is another great way to solve that, so it gets warmer in the winter inside and cooler in the summer. Another great benefit to shutters is they're so easy to clean. I use my Swiffer duster to just dust them every week, and it's just very easy to maintain. So I'd love to set up an in-home consultation with anyone who's interested in treating their sliding glass door. Give us a call at this number.